Power on the instrument. Turn on the power switch. Click Settings to enter the settings page. Select a desired temperature according to your needs. Set drying time. Set cooling down. Set the forward turn time and reverse time. Set up. Click Test to enter the test interface. Open the instrument compartment door. Place the sample in the instrument compartment. Close the compartment door. Click the Start button. Test begins. Wait for the set drying time and cooling down to arrive. The test is over. That is, the test is completed. During the test, you can click the Stop button to pause the test. Observation sample. If you restart the test, click Clear. Click Start. Wait for the set drying time and cooling down to arrive. End of test. Open the compartment door and remove the sample.